the performances were certainly better. It's not good, it's better. It can still be the best. Okay? Kung natin na yung mga storyline, yung mga nagsasalita, we should hear dance. We don't want to hear those story. Kasi alam naman namin yun eh. Sana puro ng background yung nagsasalita, di ba? We want to see it in your movements. Next. Your group tayo ang mga problema. If it's a bottom third, it should be a bottom third. You should respect the dance. But I commend the first, I will not say it, I commend the winner of the first round. Whoever you are, you really did good. Dance and ballet. Okay? So Roland is there at the too. Something. I might, after this, I might go to some of you. I know that schools are offering scholarship workshops. Do you want to become a dance? But never forget, we need
Okay, thank you very much.